Na 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 na. Hear me upon a way, you're so vain.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Miss Van.
Oh, so sorry.
I was from the
Because
I was from the toilet.
oh, I just
Yeah, what
come
happened?
home. I just come
What?
home because the traffic jam is so crazy.
Oh, yeah, and you only had your scooter, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm right motorbike, but have a lot of bus and the car, so I
Mm.
cannot
Because it's rush
go.
hour. It's rush
Yes,
hour, Miss Van. Do you know the rush hour?
no,
Do
I
you know the
cannot.
yeah, rush hour means it's the time for the workers to, to go home, the students to go home. Yeah. That's the
Rush.
rush hour, yeah.
Yeah.
Rush hour. Hold on. I will just message the admin, Miss Ben, okay, that you are already here.
I just go faster and try to.
Yeah, I think you're sweating.
Yeah.
So anyway, Miss Van, how was your New Year's Eve and your New Year? The December 31 and January 1. How was it?
I sleep on the first of year 2020 because
Oh.
the
Mhm,
the last
mhm,
day of the last day of last year
mhm.
is right. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Did you go to it was also holiday December 31? Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
December 31 was holiday up to 1, 2, 3, 4. To January
Just
1,
to
2,
work.
3, 4.
I just have up on the one.
Only December 31 and 1.
Yes.
I thought it's 1 to 4. So maybe the students, Miss Ben. Maybe just the students. Yeah, maybe yeah, because the admin told me that there will be like a holiday from January 1 to 4. So we didn't have class. I took a rest, yeah, from working here because it was a holiday. So maybe for the students it was a holiday, Miss Van.
I
So for
just
the
work from
workers,
home.
you just work from home. I
Yeah.
see. From 1 January 1
No,
to 4.
two on the
Two,
price
two, two,
day.
two. Yeah, 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 two.
Yeah.
I forgot it's two. It's not one.
Yeah.
But one is counted, right, as a holiday?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, Miss Van. So yeah, how did you celebrate it, Miss Van? How did you
Uh,
celebrate it, your holiday? I mean your
I
New
just
Year.
drink alcohol, wine.
Wow! Me
Yeah.
too. Me too. Too. Yeah. I drank alcohol with my cousins, Miss Van. December 31 night time
Yeah.
and then January 1 nighttime too. Yeah.
Oh, today.
Okay, I like my mom said, "Oh, my mom said you started the year drinking alcohol." So I think,
Star.
yeah, she said, "I think you're going to keep on drinking for the whole
For
year."
whole year.
Yeah.
So I think so.
And then I told her, "No, prior to that, before that, I cleaned the whole house." Yeah. I was working, so I don't care.
Just day.
So you also believe in that kind of belief, Miss Van? You also have that kind of belief?
Mm,
Yeah.
in Vietnam, we
Yeah,
have
we're the same.
this culture.
We are the
It's
same.
same, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Especially my grandmas and like my grandpa, like something like that. The grannies here, the old
Yeah.
people here, they really
They
believe
believe
in
in
that.
this. Yeah, they
Yeah,
believe in.
really. Like, do you believe in that, Miss Van?
Um,
Maybe me, I think
half half. No,
50-50 too.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
50-50 too. But, even though I don't really 100% believe in that, Miss Van, I still clean the whole house early in the morning up until the afternoon.
We prepare for the
Yes, for the whole
thinking.
year. So that I won't be lazy for the whole year, Miss Van, because my room is really a disaster. Look at my anyway, Miss Van. Yeah, so I'm going to tell you also that December 31, Miss Van, while we wait for the new year, we didn't really sleep, Miss Van, up until, yeah, January 1. So, yeah, our neighbors got, big fireworks, and they really paid a lot of money for the fireworks, Miss Van. So,
Yes, in
us,
Vietnam it's same.
yeah, yeah. So, us, it's just for free because we can watch our neighbors. We don't need to spend money.
Yes,
Yeah,
the neighbor is too much too.
yeah. They spent really a lot of money too.
Yeah, it's too expensive if you buy it.
Yeah. Did we have class December 31, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, we had. Wait.
we just wish
Yeah, yeah.
and
No, we didn't.
no,
We
we
had.
have and I told you after class I
Yeah.
will go to see the firework
Ah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
and will
Wait.
give the wish.
Yes, yes, yes. Hold on for a minute. I forgot. I forgot, Miss Van. Yes, I'm going to put your name here. Yeah, because I checked here. Your name is not right here. So I'm going to put your name here, Miss Van. Ah, yeah, I remember. You told me that you're just going to, eat out, right?
Yeah,
With your friends, and you're going to
yes,
drink.
yeah.
I
Nothing and rice.
I didn't drink wine. I drank vodka.
Oh, oh, it's too strong.
Yes.
Very strong.
But we were a lot, Miss Van. I have too many cousins. So we were, I think, eight of us drank just one bottle. Yeah, one big
Oh,
bottle. So
share.
yeah, I didn't really got drunk. Yeah. Anyway, Miss Van, I am now going to share my screen, and we are now going to continue with our we are going to continue with our um discussion. Okay, hold on. You're ready, Miss Van? Is my voice okay, Miss Van?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so here we go. We have this one, Miss Van. Can you see it? Yeah. We talked about, and you've read about this one, Miss Van, last time. And I'm going to read it again, Miss Van, okay? And then you just
Yeah.
listen. Yeah. This one, the title of this one, Miss Van, is your friend the best friend in the world? Tell us why. Julie is the best friend in the world because she is always there for me. Julie is the person I call when I have a problem or if I need to borrow money. She has helped me through some difficult times. We have known each other for nearly 20 years. So we know everything there is to know about each other. We argue sometimes, but we have the same sense of humor. So our arguments don't last very long. I can talk to Julie about anything, and I know she will be a friend forever. So we have here the words, Miss Van, which we tackled last time. We have here the first word, which is, can you read this one, Miss Van? It is
Uh, they're pro.
therefore, and it is a phrase. Yeah, it is yeah, there for someone, always there for someone, Miss Ben, always being beside, like, always, like, for example, you are always there for your mom. So whenever your mom has a problem, you always go to her and you always talk to her and etc. Always there for him, always there for her, always there for your boss.
Good.
The boss is
It's
included.
more.
Okay. Of course, you are always with your boss because your boss makes you a lot of, um, I mean,
Yeah,
I mean, your
because
boss
I'm assistant
um
of.
gives you a lot of tasks.
Yes.
Okay. Next one, Miss Van, we have the word. Kindly read this.
Sam. Sam.
Okay, times, and it is a
Sam.
noun. Yeah, you know noun, right, Miss Van?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Okay. For example, we have here this one. Please read the example.
We have been friends through good and bad times.
Yeah, through good and bad times, Miss Van. Yeah, I have friends, Miss Van. There are times that they call me. Okay, I'm going to tell you a story, Miss Van. Okay, I have a friend, and she calls me late at night, like 1 a.m., 2 p.m., to tell me things about her boyfriend. Yeah,
Oh.
problems about her boyfriend. She fought with her boyfriend. She wants some advices from me. So, as a good friend, I give her advices, and I really stay up late even though I have to wake up early in the morning.
I see.
But that means I have been with her and I am there for her during the bad times, Miss Van. During her
Yeah.
bad times. But when it's my bad times, Miss Van, when I call her late at night because I just want to talk to her.
Yeah.
She One time I called her. I said, "Hi, can we talk? I am just really bored. Like, yeah, I need someone to talk to." What her answer was? She told me, "Oh, can we just talk tomorrow? Can we just talk tomorrow? It's so late." I said, "Ah,
Mm.
I
Maybe you can call me.
told us." Oh my goodness. Where are you in my bad times?
I
Do you have
can meet
something?
right now, but
Yeah,
you tell me later.
just call me later. Like, but I understand this man. I understand. Maybe she's just very sleepy. And I really understand. Maybe she calls me late at night because she knows that I sleep so late.
Oh,
How about you, Miss Van? Do you have friends that are with you during your bad times?
yes, I have, but they didn't call me at like they didn't call me at 1 or 2 a.m.
Yeah, okay, okay. They don't really disturb you.
Maybe
They don't.
maybe they have
Mhm.
text, but they didn't call.
Ah, okay.
If
But how about you?
I, I mean, but but I,
Mm,
if I don't realize,
mm,
so they will
mm.
be not chat
Okay,
again. You know,
okay. So
they
you, if
know.
you, if you have a problem, you don't really bother them. You don't really chat them or ask for advice. Yeah, you just
Yes,
you just keep it to yourself.
yes,
Like
and
that?
I will chat them tomorrow if,
They are
or I
free.
will wait for the go. We are going to coffee, so I will
Ah,
tell with them.
you don't really bother them. So yeah, you just don't really tell them about your problems. You just ask them for a coffee or for a drink. Wow,
Yes.
you're such a strong person, Miss Van. Okay, next one we have this one. We have the argue, argue,
Mm.
or tran trankai. Tra- uh,
Tranh cãi.
yeah, okay. It's like arguing is something like fighting, Miss Van, through words. Yeah, not fighting physically, but through words. Yeah, arguing, fighting through, through expressing each other's sides, Miss Van. And for me, Miss Van, I don't really like to argue. How about you, Miss Van? Do you argue with, with people sometimes too?
Yeah, just sometimes.
Really? Oh, me, I
Yeah.
don't really. Yeah, when someone tries to argue with me, Miss Van, I just really keep quiet because I'm so tired. Yeah.
But I'm same to you, but
Mm.
sometimes in work I need to agree with some.
Really?
Yeah.
You need to argue? Like for example, your boss? Like that?
Um. Not for what I just agree with the colleague.
Ah, with a colleague. Yeah. Okay. That is really understandable, Miss Van. Because for me too, I also work in a public school. In the morning, Miss Van. And there are just really times I don't argue with my colleagues, but I argue with some of the parents. Yeah, there are just really parents that they don't really understand the rules and the
Yeah. I see. I
regulations.
see.
Why
I
why
see.
are why are the grades of my why is this the grade of my daughter? What?
Uh.
I'm just here to teach them and to guide them. I'm not holding their brain. So yeah, I don't yeah. But now I learned my lesson, Miss Van. I don't argue with them anymore. It's
Mm,
okay if it's okay if they're going to fight
like
me. Yeah.
yeah, like
Anyway.
a kind person. Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to tell it's a kind person.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, Miss Van, let's have the next one. We have the sense of
Then up humor.
yeah, or in Vietnamese it's what is it?
Khiếu hài hước.
Yeah,
Khiếu
okay.
hài.
Yeah. Please read the example, Miss Van.
We have the same sense of humor.
Yeah, like if you have the same sense of humor, Miss Van, if you say a joke to your friend laughs easily and understands your joke. And if you
Yeah.
and if your if your friend tells a joke to you, you understand the joke and you laugh about it.
Mm,
That means you have the
mm,
same sense of humor. Yeah, you
yeah.
laugh together, you joke together, something like that. How about you, Miss Van? Do you have the same sense of humor? Same to
I
your
don't think
friend?
so.
Yeah.
That's just- My friends, but I think I'm not. I don't have.
Really? Are you? Do you have a sense of humor, Miss Van? Like, do you tell jokes? Yeah.
Mm,
Like, do you tell
just
jokes? Do you make
sometimes.
anyone laugh? Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I have.
Yeah. So if you are that kind of person, Miss Van, who makes people laugh, or if you're the reason why someone laughs sometimes, that means you have a sense of humor. Yeah. Me, I have a sense of humor, I think. Because my coach.
Yes, you have a power and energy. Sure.
Okay, I think we have the same sense of humor because you understand my joke sometimes.
No, actually, we have like it's in Vietnam. We have. Mm, it's like I don't know how to talk this
Okay,
one.
okay. You
Like
translate it.
the same energy.
Yeah, we have the
Yeah,
same vibe. We have the
yeah.
same vibe. Yes. Okay. That's what I really think, Miss Van. Yeah, I'm really, really, I think I am really close to you. Okay. Anyway, Miss Van, let's have the next one. This will be the last one. This is a verb.
Yeah. And the last
The last. Okay. Okay, so we have here the last, Miss Van. In Vietnamese, you call it
kéo dài.
yes. Okay, we have the example.
Uh, our agreement don't last very long.
Yeah, it don't last very long. Like it's not really the duration of your argument or of their argument, Miss Van, is not really long. It doesn't take 1 hour. It doesn't take two
Yeah.
hours. It's just very short. It
Yeah.
doesn't last very long. Yeah. For example, my My phone's battery doesn't last very long. Yeah,
Yeah.
because I think it only has 70%. 70% battery life. Yeah, Miss Van. How about you? How
Yeah,
many
of course.
percentage?
Same with you.
Yeah, my
I
iPhone
mean,
is actually very old.
same.
Wait for a while. I'm going to check my battery life.
I just
Yeah,
did it
79.
9.
Yeah, doesn't why that's why it doesn't really last too long.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm 7.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, wait for a while. Where is it? Can you still see the screen, Miss Van?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just pressed something. Okay, let's have the next one, Miss Van. We have here the questions, and I believe we had these questions already last time.
I
Yeah,
just remember we have finished the
the question.
question.
You right? Right?
Oh,
I think yeah. I think we've finished this.
yeah.
Yeah, we finished this one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At
probably.
last week. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, we're done. We're done with this one. Okay, now let's have the speaking part, Miss Van. You are going to talk about an important person in your life, Miss Van. And then think about questions 1 to 6. Yeah, here. Okay, let me make this one smaller. Can you see it clearly?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So you have to say here are the key phrases, Miss Van, that you're going to use. Okay? You're going to think of a person or a friend, Miss Van, maybe a friend, maybe a relative that's very important to your life. Okay? So we have here, who is this person? Yeah. What's the name of this person, Miss Van? Okay, let's just answer these questions, Miss Van. Okay? And let's
Mm.
just try if you can use some of these key phrases. Okay? Maybe you
Yeah.
can. Let's have question number 1. Who is this what is the name of this most important person in your life, Miss Van? Or maybe you can't. I think you need to say the name. Yeah. Who is this person, Miss Van? That's very, very important to your life.
Um, what is their relationship? I don't think we talk about my parents.
You're not going to talk about your parents,
I
maybe a
I
friend.
think we need to talk about the relationship like this. Um,
Okay.
with you mm, who is this person? Mm, my parents. Her name is Sing.
Sing, yeah, yeah, I remember Sing.
Mm.
Okay. So, what does she look like, Miss Van? Can you describe how she looks like? Her physical appearance.
What does she look like? Yes, she have the long hair same to me
She
and
has
brown hair.
a long hair.
She, yeah,
Yeah.
she had the long hair
Yeah,
and
I see.
same color with me. It's brown hair
Mm, okay. You can also
and
say, Miss Van, she has a long brown hair. Yeah. You just put it in one phrase. I mean, one sentence. She has a long brown hair. Yeah.
yeah,
Like
she has
me,
the
like me,
long brown.
like me. Okay. Next one, Miss Van. What is Sing's relationship to you?
Mm. We met at
Mm.
the own
No,
company, so
wait for a while. Wait for a while. Number 2 first. What is her relationship to you? So she is your
sh- what is
yeah,
she my best friend.
yeah. She is my best
She's my
friend.
best friend.
Yeah. Okay, next. How did you meet? Yeah, this time. How did you meet?
How did you meet? We met at the own company.
So you mean to say you are colleagues, Miss Van? You are colleagues.
Yeah,
Yeah?
it's colleague, but that but when we out of the
Mm.
company, so we are just friends, and we like so
Ah,
close.
you mean to say you are colleagues inside a company, but when you're outside a company, you're really your relationship are just really different from the company. Yeah.
Yeah,
So that
and
does
now we are close.
does that mean, Miss Ben, that you cannot talk to her inside a company? Like, yeah, you cannot eat with her or something like that? Or
Uh,
yeah.
we usually eat and
Mm.
talk about
Ah,
something.
I understand. I understand, Miss Ben. So she is a colleague to you if you're in a company, but you are best friends when you are outside a company. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
I understand. Anyway, Miss Ben, we don't have enough time
yeah.
anymore. The time is very, very fast. Anyway,
Because
yeah,
start to like
I really appreciate your effort, Miss Van, and I am really, really proud of how you've improved when it comes to expressing yourself. You are now expressing more than before, when we first
last
met.
year.
Yeah, when we first met,
Yeah.
it was really,
Mm.
really different, and you made several many improvements, Miss Van. Please continue that. Anyway, Miss Van, I am now going to eat dinner. Thank you so much, Miss Van.
Yeah.
And you
Mm.
too. You too. I
Yeah.
know you didn't eat dinner yet. Bye
Sorry.
bye. Happy
Yeah.
New Year, Miss Van. Bye.